Hey friends, welcome to DocEduca channel. If you're new here, my name is Patricia. I am a doctor in the art, and on this channel, I like to provide educational videos about health matters. Also simple tutoring videos for all medical students so they can feel less overwhelmed on their medicine journey. Today, we're going to talk about some basic topics of biostatistics, such as measure of central tendency. The measure of central tendency is a measure that attempts to describe a whole data set with a single value that represents the middle or the center of its distribution. For example, we do have the Gaussian distribution, and right on the middle, it's going to be represented by the measure of central tendency. The three main measures of central tendency are the mean, which is the average of a data set, the median, which is the middle number, and the mode, that is the most frequent value of a data set. So how can we find the mean? The mean is found by sum all the values and divided by the number of values, usually represented by the letter of n. So let's suppose this is our sample value set, and we're going to sum all the values and then divide it by the number of values. The number of value is going to be 8, and then we're going to divide it by 8, and 6.5 it's going to be our mean. The median, how can we find it? So first we have to put the data set in ascending order and then select the middle number. Keep in mind that when n is even, we must take the two most middle numbers and then calculate the average. For example, let's use the same data set, right? And remember that n is the number of values. So n in this case is even. So what do we have to do? We have to take the two most middle numbers and then calculate the average, as I said. So we're going to do this and take the two most middle numbers, and those are 5 and 4. We're going to calculate the average, and the result is going to be the median. In this case, it's 4.5. So how can we find the mode? The mode is basically identified by taking the most frequent number of the data set. For example, in this data set, we have two numbers that are the most repeated numbers, right? So we have 1 and we have 7, and those are the mode for this data set. If you like this video, please share with your colleagues. Remember to click on the subscribe button and follow us on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching and see you later.